So here we are, coming to do a bit of fishing, father and son time. You excited?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, so why don't you get the scissors and cut open the bait packet?
Okay.
Alright.
Stop.
Okay, let's cast yours out for you, Joey.
I'm trying to figure out where is it.
It's out there, Joey. Okay.
This?
Yep. Good boy.
Yeah, I think I felt something bubbling. Oh, that's getting hard. I think there's something.
Uh-oh. I think it's stuck on a rock.
Oh.
First fish of the day, a little brim for Joey. How awesome!
Um,
Okay, first fish of the day. This is a little brim. It is way too small to take home, so we're going to release him back into the water. Wanna say goodbye?
Bye. Aww. If we get a big one, can we get it?
Yeah, they have to be a certain size.
Okay.
Time to pull this baby in, I think.
Oh, this one's so hard.
Keep going.
Oh, I need some help.
Keep going, Joey. You got it, mate.
Why is it so hard?
Okay. Keep going.
Trying.
Okay. You need help?
Yes, please. Yeah,
Go, go. Keep going. Pull it up.
come on. Come on. You can do this.
Whoa. Good job, Joey.
Come on.
Hey.
Please let me keep this.
Here, come on. Walking back to the car. Joey caught 3 fish and I caught none. How fair is that?
But the sad thing is that we didn't get to keep them.
No, why not?
They were too small.
Yeah, they were undersized, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, can't keep the undersized ones. It's not fair, is it? They got to grow up. So yeah, pretty fun fishing adventure. Joey caught his first fish today,
Fish.
and then he caught his second fish and his third fish, and I got nothing. All right, bye-bye.